Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of PostgreSQL. In this tutorial I'm going to talk about views. So views are a very important concept of SQL, of any SQL. So what are views? Views are basically pseudo tables. So what I mean by pseudo tables is that it is not real tables, but it is a part of a table. So, or it acts as a table syntax wise, but it is not actually a table. So it basically represents a subset of a real table, selecting some columns or a certain number of rows from an ordinary table. So to explain this, I'm going to give you an example. Is that suppose I work in a very big company, and I have different departments. So now I am the manager of the company, or I am at a very high position of the company, and my company has a really huge database, and I have this really huge table of mine that I need to share with everyone, so that they could work on it and they could receive the data, and this they could just view the data and have surveys and collect information from it. So now my table could have many columns, that is many fields, many rows, and everything. So it is not compulsory that I want to share the complete table. Suppose I want to share a part of a table, then in that case what do? I use views. Is that I share, suppose I have a complete table of the user information that consists of the name, the password, the phone number, the email, everything, and I have a person who is sending mails to a particular person, and only want to share the name and the email ID of the person. So in this case I use views. So now I hope that the basic concept of views is clear to you. I'll just create a view and show you how it works. So as I already told you that views are not real tables, so we cannot execute a delete, insert, and an update statement on a view. That is, once we can only see the view, see the content of what is in the table. We cannot delete or update or insert any data into the view or into the table directly. So what I'll do is I'll create a view and I'll show you. So it's like create view company underscore view as select ID, name, and age from company. So as you could see that this is returned successfully. Now you go to views and you see I have one view now, and you see I have company view. So if I view the data, you would see that I have the ID, the name, and the age. And similarly, if you see that my company table, it has the data of ID, name, age, address, and salary. And you could see the view now. It has only ID, name, and age. So you could see that the view is only a part of the table and not the complete table. So you could just see here. So this is a basic view. So now you could see if I add some data here, that is if I add the 15th and I add a row, and you see see I have added a row here, that is I have added one data in my original table, that is the company table. Now I go to view and I refresh. You see that this is automatically added to my view. So views are very powerful in any form of SQL. So if you see I delete this row and I refresh here, you would see that it has also deleted from the view. So as I said, in a view I cannot update, delete, or modify data. You could see that if I double click, I cannot do anything. Even if I want to delete, you see the option is not there. So this was all for views. So thank you for watching the tutorial, guys. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.